Hey guys, welcome back to Brick Spy. I am unboxing set number 7634. It is the city set from the farm sub-theme, and this was $13 when I bought it in 2009. It is retired, but still a very cool set. 78 pieces. I love these farm sets. I haven't built any, to be honest, but I still love them. There's the back of the box. One side, and the UPC side, not very exciting. So let's open this up. It is a push thumb tab type box, which if you like to collect boxes, it makes it a little bit harder to keep in good shape, but it's not much you can do about that. It kind of tears a little bit. This one's even worse than normal ones. Okay, so you get a bigger book here. Usually we get a little tiny book, but this one's a good size, of course, folded in half like usual. And there are 19 pages of building. So one big bag. Trying to find something exciting in this bag. And just tractor parts. And the small bag. So very cool. Stay tuned for the speed build of this set and then the review. And as always, comment below if you like the set or like the review. And make sure you're subscribed. And thank you for watching Brick Spy.